Yam for days. You know.
Have another customer.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Silent. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Take a look at my yam, my people. Yam for days. You know. Who remember the yams that I got recently and I planted them out? So this is them right about now. Take a look at that. Those are all yam there coming up. So I won't be leaving them in the drum right here, because obviously these are the sorrels, looking beautiful by the way. And this is another one. This is the yam, beautiful. Yeah man, so I'm gonna be putting them right here, just like that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be filling this up. I'm gonna be putting them in here, so stick around for that, my people. Yeah man, so this is some of my soil mix I'll be using. It's very awkward to hold the phone and do all of this right now, so I'll show you pretty much the end result after. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is what it looks like, as you all can see. Yeah man, so when it's time to even dig out, I can just easily lift this out. It's nothing hard, and however further down in the ground it goes, we just have to make our way there to get me. So that is that, my people, and the yam will be going there. Yeah man. Right, so get that out. Look at all those beautiful roots. Wow, take a look at that, my people. A little Jamaica this, you know? Yes man, lovely. Let me know what you guys think. Should I put all of them in there, or would that be a problem? It should be one. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, this is the big one. You see it looks, guys? Yeah, so that's the I think I'll put them all in this piece of drum. What you guys think? Anyway, let's see. Just follow my instinct. Alright, so at the end of the day, the food will be down in the ground and all the flowers and leaves on top, so you know what I mean, they can only go down. Alright, so this is what it looks like, my people. Tell me what you all think. So one there, and one here. Yeah man, that should be good. Alright, that look lovely. Yeah man, I'm excited honestly to have yam. I can't believe it. Like, a lot of these things I wanted to achieve in the garden, and they're literally right in front of me right now, so may I have to give thanks. The next step after this now, I'm gonna get some long sticks, and so basically gonna make something like a pyramid with some long sticks so they can run on, all the vines can run on. So stick around for all of that. Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. So right about now I'm here at home on lunchtime, and Babe just let me know that another lady, well, one more person wants some taro. Gonna go get them now, and she's on her way. She'll be here in 10 minutes, so you know the drill. I'll ask for permission if I can get them on camera. If not, you guys won't be able to see the person, but yeah, hopefully. All right, so that is that. So I won't be taking the big plants, so I'll sell the smaller ones, and I have plenty over there and some in between the bananas right there. So $25 each. So the person is here. Babe's just gonna open the gate. Hello.
Hi. I'm very new at it, so I just want
yeah?
something that's going to grow in the ground. Do we need to water it before we dig it up?
No, they're easily grown.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't even have to do much. You just plant them and they just grow wild.
I'll try one, and if it lives, I'll get more.
Okay.
What kind of banana is that?
I don't remember the name, to be honest.
So we
but,
have, I think the normal bananas. We have
Yeah.
a Thai banana.
Okay.
My stepmom, she's Thai, so she's given me that Thai banana, correct?
Yeah.
The middle one, sorry.
Yeah, this
and
one.
then the third one is a plantain,
Yeah.
a dwarf, we believe.
Yeah.
We haven't bared fruit yet, so just waiting.
So this is a normal one?
Yeah. You can see one here and there's another one in the ear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you dig a pub for me, and
Yeah.
how much would you like to charge me for it?
I can give you for 20.
Okay.
Yep. Just one?
Yes, I'm going to try that first. I'm not a fan of moving plants in the hot sun.
Okay.
Because it's,
Where are you
very
from?
I'm actually at Richmond Hill.
Oh, okay, lovely.
Okay.
All right, nice.
Went for a drive.
Yeah, lovely.
Alright, I'll start them.
Just like the fire.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's alright. You have another customer.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I'll put her in here. Ah,
Just taking
perfect.
some banana as well.
Oh, we've got so many bags, honestly.
So, take a look at the cucumber. The sizes they are now. Look at this one. Beautiful. One right there. There are quite a few on here. Yeah, man, but this one is the biggest so far. Here I have a bird come visit me in the garden. What they call a magpie. Looks like a baby one. All the pepper. So much pepper red right now and ready to pick. This one. Good morning my people. So I'm outside to water the plants. And look at what I come out here to see. That right there is sweet pepper, capsicum, bell pepper, whatever you want to call it. Yeah man, so plants them right about now. I've on like all 4 trees. I've on, that's a good look. A really good look. Come over here. Look at what I have right here. Cucumber. And here's one that's really big, which pretty much overdue for picking right now. I'm just gonna pop it off. I don't need to bring a scissors with me, so. But yeah, that's the biggest one so far. And I mean, like, that's just really full. Good morning again, my people. It's a brand new day. As usual, the place, well, not as usual, but some mornings are like this. And especially if it's winter, it's even worse. Yes, man. Been getting crazy rain like the whole day and night. Like yesterday, it rained non-stop. We had sun a few days. What is this? So this is cucumber right here, but what the? It's like a mushroom, some kind of a mushroom. Oh my god, what is this thing? Yeah man, so sorrel them start to look lovely, you know, and thing like that. Yeah man. Still have some more corn you have to plant out. Rain is on the land. So this is my callaloo right now. I come up lovely. The only thing is that something already start feeding on them, so I already spray them. Yeah. One whole heap of water up on the land. So I planted out some of the corn. Have some more tomato in there, okra, beans and things like that. So yeah, over there is where it's flood. If you guys can see that good, it's like pure water settle over there. So here it's not as bad. That's why I'm transferring some of the stuff right here. So that is that, my people. So I started off the morning by cutting myself and the saw. Bought this yesterday and it threw my blood already. But anyway, let's get the morning started. So right here, my people, as you can see, these are some corn, sweet corn I have planting out. So as I have these young ones coming up, just getting them ready. I know some of you would say, oh, don't transplant. Trust me guys, it still works just the same. So evening settings, it's about to get dark and getting my hands dirty as usual for a good reason, you know what I mean? So yeah, a piece of root, just digging out here like a trench. And just dropping them in right beside each other. See how the dirt look. Here never really floods anyway. Here is different from over there, but yeah, I mean it's like been dry for a few days now, and apparently we're expecting a heat wave as summer about to start, so I guess we're in for a hot summer, so stay tuned. So this is them. You can see they're really tall already, so just a transplant as much as I can. Yes, man. That's them right there. Looking lovely. And so right here, I dig another trench right along these ones. Yeah, dropping some more.